It is going to be brisket and vegetables with dried fruit. My mom wrote that this brisket recipe is perfect for Passover. It can be prepped 2, 3, 4 days ahead of time, cover and refrigerate. Perfect time to start, so this will be ready for Wednesday night. I have on the stove, I am sauteing up 4 onions, 4 celery stalks, and yes, 2 cloves of garlic. That's going to be at the bottom of our pan. Now, here's a little activity that you can get into. We are taking a half of orange and we're going to be sticking about 10 cloves, whole cloves, into the orange. And it's a nice little activity to do maybe with your kids. Have them, it's like a little thumbtack, and have them stick the little cloves into the orange. There should be about 10, 15 cloves on a half of orange. Something to do while you're sauteing. Okay, so we filled in all of our vegetables. We filled in the carrots, the onions, and the celery, and the garlic sat at the bottom of your brisket. On top, we put our carrots and dried fruit. Remember, we had a little fun sticking the cloves into our half of orange. It's gonna sit right on top of our brisket, and this will be covered and cooked for 4 hours till it's beautifully soft, and it will be sliced against the grain, and it will be a beautiful item to your Passover Seder. Hope you enjoyed Rochelle's Kosher